In this guide, I'll show you how to automatically download games and updates in rest mode on your PS5. So from the home screen, select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and then we're going to go to System Settings. Now scroll over from System Software and go to System Software Update and Settings, and you want to turn on Download Update Files Automatically in Rest Mode, as well as Install Update Files Automatically in Rest Mode. So once you've done this, we're now going to go back, and then we're going to scroll down in System Settings, and we're going to go to Power Saving Settings and Features Available in Rest Mode. So you want to ensure Stay Connected to the Internet's turned on, so while in rest mode, your PS5 can download update files and content. And you also have the option of turning this setting on if you want to activate your PS5 while using the PlayStation app in rest mode. So now we're going to go back, and once you're back in Settings, scroll down and we're going to go to Save Data and Game/App Settings, and then scroll down to Automatic Updates, and you want to toggle on Auto Download as well as Auto Install in rest mode. So now you'll be downloading and installing the latest versions of your games and apps, and you'll also be updating them in addition to the system if it needs it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.